Hello, this is Mike Mensink, and today we're going to be showing you how to withdraw your submission in Easychair for ST&D 2020 if you are so inclined to do so. So we're going to start at the Easychair homepage. It's easychair.org, and then we're going to log in to our account. And if you're in the proper account for ST&D 2020 that's associated with your role on a paper, you will see this author option here next to ST&D 2020. We're going to click on that, and that will bring you to the page that has all of your submissions for ST&D 2020. We're going to go into this view option using this magnifying glass icon. If you click on that, it will take you to the primary information page about your submission, and you can see there's a lot of things that you can do to your own file if you so are so inclined. Today, what we're focused on is the withdraw option. So assuming that that is an option you'd like to pursue, just click on the withdraw option there, and you can withdraw without sending us an email. We can see it in the system, and you don't necessarily need to know we don't necessarily need to know your reasons for withdrawing or anything of that nature. So we're just going to click withdraw without sending an email, and you will receive confirmation that your submission has been withdrawn. So we'd like authors to have processed this within a couple weeks. There'll be more information in the email that we're sending out. And if you have any questions, you can feel free to contact me, mensinkm@uwstout.edu. Thank you for your attention. Take care.